Visited Kala Cafe and maybe I'll explore later.
To Wangers, Social, Third Wave, these kind of
In
cafes.
CP, like I would say Andhra Canteen. It's pretty like underrated, I would say.
Okay, ma'am. So tell me what you do.
So I'm a data engineer at American Express.
Okay. Do you like what you do?
Yeah, I'm new to it and I'm exploring.
Okay, so where are you from?
So I'm from Lucknow,
Okay.
Uttar Pradesh.
And you are in Delhi, so here to explore?
Yeah, I'm here to meet my friends and catch up.
Oh, that's nice. So have you are in CP, right?
Yeah.
So have you visited any cafes?
So recently I visited Kala Cafe and maybe I'll explore later. So yeah, Kala Cafe was the first cafe.
Okay, whenever you try to go into a cafe or a restaurant, what's the one thing you would like to order first?
So I have a sweet tooth, so I would like to order ice cream and maybe I love chocolate, so I would order that.
Okay, so before the main part,
I would like to eat sweet first, the main course.
that's actually nice. Nice way to spike up your insulin, actually. So, okay, so tell me, ki, what you find interesting in Delhi?
So I love the people here, the crowd. It is very welcoming, right? So I'm from Lucknow, so it's the first time I'm visiting over here. I'm visiting my friend, so the crowd is very welcoming over here, and food, of course.
So, food, like people argue about these things that Lucknow ka food better hai,
No
or
doubt,
Delhi.
no doubt, Lucknow ka food is best.
She's an actual Lucknowi person. Okay, so Lucknow ka better hai. Are you like? Would you? How would you rate it?
Lucknow is the 10 out of 10, but I'm exploring Delhi, so I would give it a 8.5.
So you are in Delhi, right? So do you feel safe here?
Uh, that's a question. Safe, though it's not safe anywhere, but due to my job, I'm living in Gurgaon, so can't comment about Delhi, right?
So how is Gurgaon treating you?
Gurgaon is busy, life is fast, but
You're loving it.
yeah, not loving it, but yeah, I will manage.
Tell me your favorite food item in savory.
Uh, Sweet, I would say. I am a sweet tooth, so I will eat.
Only sweet,
Yeah,
even in savory.
yeah. I would.
Can I get a savory ice cream? This is how you order.
Yes, this I will order.
How does it taste?
It tastes good. I like to mix and match my savories and sweet with things like I would add banana on top of my kulfi. So do a mix and match of that.
Have you tried seeking therapy?
I know. So it is experiment. Like food is experiment. If food gives me joy and love, yeah, if it would not taste good every time, but sometimes it tastes good.
I think therapy would give you joy too.
Okay, I'll try
Okay,
it.
thank you. The best place in CP to have brunch, lunch, dinner, whatever. Okay. So for that, you can prefer to Wangers, Social, Third Wave, these kind of cafes. Okay, what's your personal favorite?
Wangers.
What's the best thing about Wenger that I see lines, so many crowd. What's there in Wenger? I've never tried it.
Okay, so I think it's about the vibe and food basically. So dono चाहिए.
What's the best thing in Wenger if a newcomer or a person who has never tried Wenger before, you would recommend
Pizza.
pizza? Okay, so you said pizza. So I think you must be liking Italian cuisine.
Yeah, I am a pizza fan girl.
So pizza or pasta?
Pizza.
Okay. So tell me, what's your coffee order look like?
I don't like coffee much. I'm a tea person.
Okay, so tell me how your tea looks like, matlab.
Okay, so like जिंजर मतलब होना चाहिए उसमें चाय में ऐसे अलग अच्छा लगता है मतलब मोस्टली ये तुलसी डल गई है वैसी चीजें जो ऐसे बिल्कुल ऐसे कड़क चाय होती है काइंड वैसी हाँ
Okay, so do you think कि different types of brands जो ताज मतलब ऐसे आते हैं चाय में, ताज है, बाग बकरी or whatever, do they really make the tea that kadak?
ब्रांड का तो मेरे को ऐसे आइडिया नहीं है कि मतलब चाय बस जैसी हो वैसे, जैसे घर में बनती है या फिर टपरी की हो वैसे, मतलब ऐसे कुछ कैफे काइंड वैसी चाय नहीं, टपरी की या घर की वैसी चाय।
ओके, टपरी की या फिर घर की चाय? तो टपरी की या फिर घर की?
घर की।
अच्छा, ये बताओ कि जब आप सैड फील कर रहे होते हो, अच्छा फील नहीं कर रहे होते हो, तो व्हाट्स द वन थिंग यू क्रेव टू ईट?
क्रेव टू ईट पिज्जा।
We see a loyal pizza person here. Okay, so any drinks that you like चाय के अलावा?
आइस टी समटाइम्स।
Iced tea. Okay, so tell me, what is the most overrated cafes in CP?
आई डोंट नो अबाउट दैट एक्चुअली।
Okay,
So
okay, so tell me, what's your favorite place in CP?
In CP, like I would say Andhra Canteen. It's pretty like underrated, I would say. Ideally, it's like a family restaurant. However, like their fish tikka is to die for. And then they have like really good dum biryani. Like I would definitely recommend it. 10 out of 10. Like it's like finger licking and stuff. Like it's very good. So yeah, Andhra Canteen is definitely one of my favorite recommendations. And then if you do love biryani and you don't want to go to a family kind of restaurant, then you can go to Biryani by Kilo. I think yeah, like a bit pricey, but it's definitely worth it. I would say yeah.
I think biryani by kilo is the best. I think I've ever like the best biryani I've ever had. So tell me, what's your go-to food, go-to drink that you order?
Okay, like go to food, I would say like boba tea is like go to. Like every time I go somewhere, I would get a boba and just drink it. I know it's very trendy, but like yeah, I love it. And go to food, I eat like everything. So basically, you can give me anything and I would eat it.
Like anything like snakes, spiders.
I mean, everything's worth a try once, right? Like yeah, everything is edible at least once.
Okay, he's not even hesitating. So okay, so tell me, what's the most underrated place in CP?
Underrated place in CP. Like, I think everything is well known in CP, to be honest, because it has been around for so long. But I would say, like, Naturals ice cream. A lot of people do not give it a try, but it's like really nice, and they have like really great new flavors that you can try. So, yeah, just go there, try their natural ice cream like once, and if you like it, it's definitely gonna be your spot.
Like, what do you like the most, sweet or savory?
I would say savory. I'm not a big sweet guy.
You're not a sweet tooth.
Nah, like I cannot eat like too much sweet.
Ah, okay, understandable. I mean, who would like to get their insulin spike in late? Yeah. So, okay, so tell me, if you are not feeling good, you're not feeling happy, what's the best place you want to hang out or you look after that will make you feel good again?
Oh, like it's not in CP, so sorry CP. However, in Delhi, I would say I often go to Safdarjung, the NCC Gate Market. I think that's a really comforting place, and there's a lot of nice cafes. My go-to would be Haumi Cafe or Gotti. It's quite popular, but yeah, it's like a really nice place. I love the atmosphere.
Thank you so much.